Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this beautiful, attractive and healthy red succession juice. Red succession juice is high in vitamin C. Vitamin C contributes to the production of cells from oxidative stress. Keep watching. To make this juice, I will be using watermelon, strawberries, pineapple and lime. Let's get started. The next step is to wash the fruit and cut them into smaller parts. Guys, I will be using only 1/4 of this watermelon and half of the pineapple for this juice. Guys, you can see I have washed the fruits and cut them into smaller parts. And now I am squeezing the lime. Then I will extract the lime with my extractor and keep it aside. Strawberries is a bright red color, juicy texture and sweetness. It lowers your blood pressure and guides against cancer. Limes are high in vitamin C. Watermelon is loaded with lycopene. It also protects your joint. Do you know that studies shows that it may lower your risk of heart attacks? Watermelon is a very nice fruit. Pineapple is an incredible, delicious, and healthy tropical fruit. It helps to boost your immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapple also helps you to recover fast after surgery. Guys, the next step is to pour in the lime and give it a stir. Our red sensation juice is ready. Take this juice to glow your body and keep your soul together. I hope you've been enjoying my juice recipe. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I always say thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.